Hi guys! I know how we all love to wear backless clothes and deep necks showing off the amazing cleavage, but it is not always easy to embrace your personality and to actually own it. Today I have two amazing products for you guys, which are gonna be your life saviors. Trust me, they're gonna be your life saviors. The first one is the flash tape or the fashion tape. And the second one, super duper 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 hyped on the internet. Guess what? Backless strapless bras. Do they really work? Let's find out.
My name is Ritisha Jairaj. Welcome to my channel.
So the first product I'm going to talk about today is used by celebrities, fashion bloggers, movie stars, models, many of them. It has a wide range of use in the fashion industry, trust me guys. So this is called the fashion tape or the flash tape or the body tape or the dressing tape. So fashion tape is a double-sided tape which is adhesive on both the sides. It is not the stationary tape. So this is called the dress tape because you stick it to your dress to secure your dress. So I'm going to just show you how it is used. I'm wearing this dress which has kind of a deep neck. So sometimes it's comfortable to wear deep necks and sometimes it is not based on the occasion. So you always can't secure it with a pin. It looks very bad when you put a pin. So this is like that. This is transparent. You take off these. Make sure you're not touching every part of the tape because they are not reusable.
It's sticky on both the sides. So you put it on the edges of your dress like this and you stick it. And voila, it doesn't move.
One thing you have to remember while using this tape is when you secure it in place at once, don't play with it. Don't try to move it because these are very delicate. If you move it, it loses its stickiness and you have to use another one. These are very expensive, not very, but expensive and worth all the penny you spend on that.
So I'm putting it on the top because I want the neck to be close. I'm gonna stick it to my skin. You see? Even if I bend, do anything, this is not gonna move from its place. How cool does it look? See? Another best use of this is whenever you're wearing your lehenga blouse. So sometimes what happens in some cases, your blouse comes off in the front and it is loose at this part. Your blouse gets loose at the lower ends or the behind here. So that time what you do is you stick a fashion tape right here and stick it to your skin. So this blouse doesn't move. Isn't it good?
This can also be used on blouses and tops which have deep necks.
We all love wearing jewelry, and sometimes when you wear this long jewelry to the waist length, they start moving here and there. So the best part to secure is you can't stop, you can't pin them again. So the best use of it is using the fashion tape. Stick one side of the tape to your jewelry, another side to your outfit or to your skin, and they won't move.
Use it on your unhemmed seam lines and stop your trouser shorts from peeping through your skirt.
How this is going to be useful for your loose clothes. So, part of this pant I secured it with a pin to just show you the difference, and the other part of this pant I'm going to tighten it by using a fashion tape. What I do is I'm going to take this part, take a fashion tape, put it right over here, and I'm going to put the rest of the cloth on this. For better sticking it like this. You can see. If you pull it, it's going to come out. So, but it's going to stay if you don't touch it.
Now prevent your underpants from peeping through your jeans. Use it to cover the zip flap on your jeans. This can be used by both men and women for various purposes.
Another best use of this one is you can always use it on the outfits when they already have a padding, but they are kind of loose for you.
You can use it to give a lift to your boobs. You can stick one half it to the lower part of your boobs and lift it up and stick it to the upper part of the boobs so that it will give a lift.
Fashion tapes are the reason behind every celebrity's perfect outfit look. They fit inside any outfit easily and make you stay tension-free all day. Share a piece of fashion tape with your mom and help them to stay free from the slippy shoulder blouses.
The much excited part of the video is right here now. Backless, strapless bras. I know you all are excited for this one and I am very excited for this one. I so love this one. So these are the bras you wear when you have backless or strapless dresses. I think it is worth all the hype, but you need something more to make it more comfortable. I have already used this once, so let me show you how this works. And they are like this. They come with a plastic paper on top. They don't really require bra size, it's just the cup size. So when you buy that, please remember, don't throw this. This is the one which is gonna save your bra. So it is like this from inside. It is very sticky, but it is not really gonna stick on your skin for a long time. You usually wear it like this. It's like it keeps coming out, like how my hand came out from behind. I know your boobs are not gonna move so much, but still, when you keep moving forward, or you're gonna bend, or you're stretching, so these coming out from all the ends. Why did I choose these?
So before buying these, I have tried quite a few things. I tried the silicone ones. This is not the silicone one, it is fabric. So I have tried the silicone one, but I didn't really like the silicone ones because when I wore them, they were like just compressing everything and there was no shape. And it was feeling so annoying on the skin. It was really annoying on the skin. I couldn't wear it for like more than 5 to 6 minutes because first thing was it was compressing everything, and the second thing it was like jelly kind of thing. I don't know, I didn't like the silicone ones really. These ones are really soft. They are really soft. They're very comfortable while wearing. I wore it like for like 6 hours. I really didn't have any irritation.
But there's always a but in such things. To wear this, you need this. Without this is not gonna stay on your body because you keep moving. Your dress may have different necklines, different kind of fabrics, and the temperature may vary. You may sweat, and when you sweat, the stickiness is gone. So you need this. What I did was I wore this and I used this like on the 4 sides and then wore my dress on top. So this one was perfectly stuck, half to my skin and half to the dress. So it didn't really move. One thing you should remember is once you fix these with the fashion tape, do not play around or move around a lot of things like keep adjusting or something, because this is gonna like make the tape lose its gum and it won't last for long. So you can wear this comfortably and confidently. You can wear it definitely with a lot of confidence. It's gonna give you like amazing feel when you wear them, but don't forget to put on these.
I wore it on my graduation day. That was the first time I tried these two together, but I was like running here and there all day on that day, but I didn't feel like I was wearing it on. I felt like I was wearing my normal bra, but it was so damn comfortable. It was so damn comfortable. This is so skin friendly. Both of these are so skin friendly. So this one I got from Amazon. I got it for like $14 for 2 tapes, 2 of these. And this one I got it from Target. And it was $23.99. Oh wait, yeah, it was $23.99, and with tax it was like $26. First I thought it was more, but then I was like, it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. So guys, remember, this one is amazing, but you need this to make it stay in its place. So whenever you're buying this, don't forget to buy this. I'll leave the links below for both of them down.
So that is it for this video. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very informative. I tried to put in a lot of stuff which can be useful for you to style your clothes in your own best way and stay confident all day.
Please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Buy these amazing stuff. And this is not a sponsored video, please. So I wish they would pay me. I wish the sponsors are you listening, please pay me for these. Just kidding. So this is basically for information. That's it. You see, this is still there. I have been wearing this from like, what, 2 hours, and it is still amazing. Your personality and actually own it. Character. It's easy to embrace those dresses. Poinna. I know we all how much we love. Cut.
Super hyped backless strapless bras.
अच्छा नाइस तो अभी से प्लीज अच्छे हैं मैंने सुना है कनाडा में ना
So today I'm going to talk about two real life saviors, trust me. One is the flash tape or the fashion tapes, and the other is the super duper hyped bras.